Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today I will talk about Playwright network interception. Intercept and modify API requests responses. Monk backend data for stable tests. Stimulate edge cases, errors, delays. Test UI independently from the backend. What is network interception? Network interception equals capturing and controlling API calls during the tests. You can modify request, monk response, block calls, stimulate errors. Benefit description. Stability, remove backend dependency. Speed, no real API calls. Edge testing, stimulate errors easily. Isolation UI testing without a backend. Let's look at coding parts. Under tests folder, have the subfolder UI, and under UI, I put the network monkey test here. So this is a test script. First line is for require playwright test, and here is use the test show the monkey order. So first test is monk profile API. Here is you can see with the page root. Here is API core URL. So use this URL do for the monkey profile. You see here is a check. First check the status. API core status is 200. And here is the user name, user QA user. Row is the QA. Message is the monkey profile data. Second test monk order API. Here is the API core, so API orders. And first check the core is get the successful is 200 code. And order ID is 999 and owner is a QA user. Items, this is items, quantity is 1, and this is a price, total price. Order is status is monkeyed. Check this all of the match request. Third one is add a fake token because the dashboard require awesome token. So this is add token, awesome token. This is a fake token for monkey test. Test 4 is open dashboard. Wait page, go to the dashboard HTML. Fifth test, verify monkey data appears. So user expect the page find the welcome, have the test welcome QA user. And here is the order. Order ID is 999, so have the order ID. And expect order status monkeyed. Let me run test. Okay, you see the test pass. We look at the test. You see here is a test we write. You see here is a navigator to the dashboard, and here, and make sure welcome is come up, and also the add order status is come here. So you see here, monkey is a pass. You see, we can see here is a content order is this ID. You see here is like a welcome, welcome QA. You see here. This is information. Before this one, we now have this information. So after run test, we add some monkey information in the web page. Thank you for watching the video. Hope today's content can help you. If you want to follow us our updates, please subscribe. See you next time.